guys, it's Miss Carly, and today is all about hair extensions. And what's so funny is that I always end up buying myself hair extensions during the holiday season because you always get the best deals. And what's really cool about this hair extension is that they are having right now a Black Friday sale. So everything is like 20% off, and they gave me a 10% coupon code, which the link down below already has the coupon code in it. So even easier to make a purchase on any kind of hair. This hair came in this really cute little box right here. I mean, I'm not gonna keep it, but it's just so cute. I just love it. I believe it's Goo Goo Hair, hair extension. So what's cool is not only is it the standard clip-ins, which I have, they also have a line of seamless. They did not have them in the blondes, but they had it in the array of the browns and the darker tones. So if that's what you're looking for, definitely scoop that up. They also have the halos as well. I've never been successful with the halos, but one day I feel like I'm gonna get into them. But off the bat, 2 packs. I really wanna have that voluminous va-va-voom. I'm gonna need some grams. This is the perfect amount for me to have that beautiful voluminous hair. Now my hair right now is actually really ashy, which, you know, this top part, you know, really fits really well. This is a little yellow down here, and honestly, that's a really quick fix if I do want to change it. I normally just dip my hair in purple shampoo bath, like make a light bath and just dip them in. So that's probably what I'm most likely gonna do later with this, but it's, I feel, going to be amazing. I mean, first of all, can we just talk about the bottom of this hair? You see how much, like how perfect that is? And it's not scraggly. Like that's always the thing when you're getting hair extensions, like what's the top versus the bottom, and this is beautiful. It did come with, which is really nice to store your hair in this little satin bag right here. So that's really great. And then it did come with a, I think it's called an alligator clip right here to when you're doing your hair. It came with a really cute scrunchie, which is nice. Can never have enough scrunchies. And then each set came with 2 additional clips if I do need to replace them. Also, one of my favorite things, it came with a pair of eyelashes. So this is all with the hair. So that's complimentary, which is really cool. It did come with, which is actually a pretty intense, I'll say intense, book of all like the hair products with instructions and all of that. So that's kind of cool. Then you can learn about the other products they have. All right, so just so you know, again, this is the Platinum Blonde Balayage right here. And I did get it in the 20 inches. This has lots of different lengths. Like, so what I would do is if you just wanted to add volume to your current length, I would just get 1 pack, and then of course, whatever length would be appropriate. All right, so before I normally get started, I always organize my clips by like 3 clips, 4 clips, 2, and 1, just so they're organized. Next thing, and what I do not recommend, well, at least for my hair, and I have it right now, I just washed my hair. So normally when I just wash my hair, of course I use like deep conditioners. So my hair, they don't really keep the clip normally really well. That's when you really wanna use hairspray and a teasing little comb right here. And really I do this anyway, but freshly washed hair, I would probably tease a little bit more and add a little bit of more spray just to add a little bit of traction for these clips. All right, so, and then also, before I forget, I do have my flat iron right here because sometimes, you know, it's natural hair that it may have a little kink in it. So I always have my flat iron on deck waiting to go. So step 1, I normally use a 3 clip at the very bottom of the nape. I think that's what it's called, the nape of my hair. So of course, teasing comb, and you just tease the root. And then you just kick it with a little bit of hairspray, just a little, just like that. Also, when I was taking these off, you can tell that these are a double wafe right here, which is nice. And this hair, before I even forgot when I was holding before, it is so soft. It is like dream softness. Okay, so now we're just gonna basically inch up our hair. My hair is actually, I feel like a little thin, or I have like thin to normal, but especially on this side, since I do part it, it is pretty thin. So the key is always to, you know, always have enough hair where you don't see the clips. So the crown is normally the most important part of making sure you have enough hair. So what I'm gonna do here is just kind of carve out this spot as a do not use zone. For the next section, okay, so there's 2 right here. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. So what I will say about when I put in my hair extensions, every single time I definitely put them in a different way. I always start off with the 3 clip and like the 4, and like when I'm going up, this is where I'm always like modifying depending on like the volume of my hair or like what's going on. So I always end up either putting them all in or like leaving a couple out. There's no rhyme or reason. You just put the hair in and just go with it. So let's keep going. And just like that, I put in every single piece of hair that came in both sets right here. And naturally, I mean, what's not to love about this life right here? Absolutely love it. I really love that this company is already having their holiday sale. So definitely like scoop up the hair so you'll be ready for all the holiday parties, being as fabulous as you are. So check it out. Let me know if you buy any of these hair extensions, and definitely, you know, I want to see you in your outfits, in your hair this holiday season. So reach out to me on Instagram. I love to hear from you, and I love to see you being so fabulous every single day. Because never forget that it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous with extra long, voluminous hair, wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon. Bye.